Best 3D printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. Bring your 3D printing projects to life with the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus, a budget-friendly printer capable of producing impressively large, high-quality prints. Designed for hobbyists and beginners alike, this open-frame FDM, fused deposition modeling, 3D printer is ideal for anyone looking to create sizable objects without breaking the bank. With a maximum build area of 15.2 by 12.6 by 12.6 inches, the Neptune 4 Plus allows you to explore big ideas in PLA, ABS, PTG, nylon, ASA, or TPU filaments. Setup is straightforward for anyone comfortable with basic assembly. The open frame design not only makes assembly intuitive but also lets you watch every step of the printing process, from filament feed to extrusion, making it perfect for newcomers eager to understand 3D printing mechanics. Our tests show that the Neptune 4 Plus consistently produces prints of very good quality, allowing you to bring both functional prototypes and creative projects to life. Equipped with a single extruder, a 100-micron top print resolution, and a responsive LCD interface, this printer is easy to operate and monitor. Connectivity options include USB thumb drive and Wi-Fi, giving you flexibility in managing your print jobs. The printer measures 25.2 by 21 by 22.8 inches and weighs 32 pounds, so ensure you have adequate table or bench space. Whether you're a beginner learning the ropes or a cash-conscious hobbyist seeking large-format printing on a budget, the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus is a reliable, versatile choice. Add filament or select a bundle to start printing immediately, and enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year parts and labor warranty. Number 2. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. Unlock the world of multicolor 3D printing with the Bambu Lab A1 Mini, an affordable and highly capable 3D printer perfect for beginners and budget-conscious hobbyists alike. This compact closed-frame printer delivers high-quality prints quickly and reliably, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a stress-free 3D printing experience. What sets the A1 Mini apart is its optional add-on module, which supports printing with up to 4 different colored filaments simultaneously. This makes it simple to create vibrant, multicolor projects without complicated setups. Despite its advanced capabilities, the printer comes nearly fully assembled and is exceptionally easy to get started. Our testing found it consistently generates beautiful, problem-free prints. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini supports a variety of materials including PLA, PTG, TPU, and PVA, giving you flexibility for different projects. It features a single extruder, 100-micron top print resolution, and a manageable 70.9 by 70.9 by 70.9 mm build area. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi and microSD card support, making file transfer convenient and hassle-free. Weighing just 12.12 pounds and measuring 13.7 by 12.4 by 14.4 inches, the A1 Mini fits easily on most desks or workbenches. Whether you're starting out with 3D printing or looking for a low-cost, 4-color FDM printer that performs reliably, this compact powerhouse delivers excellent value. Enjoy colorful creations, high-speed performance, and peace of mind with a 1-year parts and labor warranty. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini makes multicolor 3D printing accessible, affordable, and fun, perfect for beginners and hobbyists looking to bring their ideas to life in vibrant detail. Number 3. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max. Experience high-precision resin 3D printing with the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max, a versatile SLA printer designed for professionals, enthusiasts, and hobbyists alike. Combining speed, accuracy, and intuitive operation, this printer delivers exceptional results, from the tiniest miniatures to impressively large models, without the hassle of complicated resin handling. Its advanced automatic resin management works quietly in the background, allowing you to focus on your designs rather than cleanup. The Photon Mono M7 Max features a cutting-edge light source system capable of handling calibration files down to 10 microns, ensuring razor-sharp detail and consistent print quality. Whether you're producing prototypes, collectibles, or detailed artistic models, this printer provides reliability and precision that rival much higher-priced machines. Remote monitoring and an intuitive interface make starting and supervising prints straightforward, even for beginners. Built with a closed-frame design, it offers a build area of 11.7 by 6.4 by 11.8 inches, accommodating a wide range of project sizes. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB, making file transfer and printer management seamless. Weighing 52.91 pounds and measuring 25.7 by 16.7 by 14.3 inches, it's substantial yet suitable for a dedicated workspace. Professionals will appreciate its industrial-quality reliability and fine detail output, while enthusiasts benefit from its sub-$1000 price and user-friendly operation. The Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max simplifies resin 3D printing, giving you fast, high-quality prints with minimal fuss. Backed by a 1-year parts and labor warranty, it's an excellent choice for anyone seeking top-tier SLA printing performance without compromise. Number 4. Entina Tina2. Step into the world of 3D printing with the Entina Tina2, an ideal choice for beginners, kids, and STEM enthusiasts who want an affordable and easy-to-use printer. Designed with simplicity in mind, the Tina2 makes it possible to learn the basics of 3D printing without committing to the higher cost of more advanced machines. Its transparent, open design allows users to see the mechanics at work, turning setup and operation into an educational experience. Perfect for introducing younger generations to STEM concepts, the Tina2 encourages creativity with small-scale projects such as toys, figurines, and knickknacks. It features a measured effective bed size of 120 mm x 100 mm and a maximum extruder temperature of 245 degrees Celsius, which is sufficient for beginner-friendly PLA and similar filaments. While the build volume is smaller than most desktop printers, it provides just enough space for fun, manageable projects. A typical print, such as the popular Benchy model, takes approximately 91 minutes, giving fast feedback and a rewarding printing experience. The Tina2 balances affordability and functionality by removing unnecessary advanced features without sacrificing ease of use or support. Though it doesn't offer the highest print resolution, the output is perfectly suitable for beginners and younger users who are more focused on creativity than precision. Weighing in as a budget-friendly, user-friendly option, the Entina Tina2 delivers a stellar first-time 3D printing experience. With strong educational value, simple operation, and reliable customer support, it's an excellent starter printer for kids, hobbyists, or anyone looking to explore the exciting world of 3D printing without breaking the bank. Number 5. Flashforge Adventurer 5M. Discover the joy of 3D printing with the Flashforge Adventurer 5M, a beginner-friendly printer designed for simplicity, convenience, and reliable performance. Perfect for newcomers to the 3D printing world, this fully enclosed printer makes it easy to start creating immediately, with features that reduce setup time and minimize common frustrations. The Adventurer 5M offers a generous print volume of 220 by 220 by 220 mm, allowing you to produce a variety of projects, from small toys and household gadgets to creative prototypes. Its fully enclosed design not only keeps the printing environment stable for better results but also ensures safety for younger users or hobbyists working in shared spaces. Equipped with a PEI build plate, this printer ensures strong adhesion during printing while making part removal effortless once your creation is complete. The quick-release nozzle simplifies maintenance and reduces downtime, while auto-leveling guarantees consistent print quality without tedious manual adjustments. Connectivity is made easy with cloud control, allowing you to start, monitor, and manage print jobs remotely. Whether you're experimenting at home, teaching STEM concepts, or exploring a new hobby, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M offers a plug-and-play experience that makes 3D printing fun and accessible. With its combination of thoughtful features, solid build quality, and easy-to-use interface, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M is perfect for beginners who want reliable performance and minimal hassle. Unlock your creativity, print with confidence, and enjoy the excitement of turning your ideas into tangible creations with this capable and intuitive 3D printer.